Welcome back to another PL Adventures unboxing video. So today we do have the Ryobi 1800 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute electric pressure washer that we're going to be unboxing. So I already cut the box, so let's open it up and see what's in the box. What do we got? Registration, manual, instructions how to assemble it, a hose, we got the spray one, and then we got the pressure washer. So I actually ordered this from HomeDepot.com, so it came in just a regular brown box. And we got nozzle, alright, so we got the on and off button. It's where you connect the hose. We got a couple different nozzles, the soap. What do we got here? That's where you connect the hose to. So that's it. Let's set it up and see how it works. Alright, first things first, we're gonna put this in here. Let's try this nozzle. Pull this back. That's that. Unscrew the cap. So it is quite simple to set it up. One side of the hose. One side of the hose will go in here. The other side of the hose is going to go up front. Alright, got the hose. Alright, so here's one little secret for the pump to actually last longer. Before I turn it on, I'm gonna hold the trigger and let it come out, let all the air out before I press the on button. So that was about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to press the on button. Alright, let's try a different nozzle. So that one actually sprays in a circle motion. This one, I believe, is the 15 degrees. that was at 15 degrees. This one I don't know, but it's a lot bigger hole. This one doesn't really do much. And that's it. Personally, I haven't used it, but from what it seems like, it's a pretty nice, small electric pressure washer, so you don't have to deal with gas or anything of small projects. As of right now, I would recommend it. I might make another video just to update you guys to see how I like it or I don't like it, so stay tuned. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.